Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have 3 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x equals square root of 12 raised to power x minus 16 raised to power x. What is the values of x? So to solve this, solution, we have 3 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x, and this equals the square root of 12 raised to power x minus 16 raised to power x. So we are going to square the both side of this equation, so all squared, and with this we have in brackets 3 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x all raised to power 2, and this equals square cancel square root. We have 12 raised to power x minus 16 raised to power x. So with this, we have in brackets 3 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x all raised to power 2 equals, you can write 12 as in brackets 3 times 4 all raised to power x minus, you can write 16 as 4 squared all raised to power x. So with this, we have in brackets 3 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x all raised to power 2. This equals, making use of this rule of indices, that if you have in brackets a times b all raised to power n, this equals a raised to power n times b raised to power n. Applying this rule right here, and also if you have in brackets a raised to power n all raised to power n, this equals in brackets a raised to power n all raised to power n. Applying this rule here also, so we have 3 raised to power x times 4 raised to power x, then minus in brackets 4 raised to power x all raised to power 2. So with this, we are then going to say that let 3 raised to power x equals a and 4 raised to power x equals to b. So this equation then becomes in brackets a minus b all raised to power 2 equals a times b, then minus in brackets b all squared. So we have in brackets a minus b all raised to power 2. Move all of this over to the left hand side. We have minus ab plus b squared, and this equals 0. So we have in brackets a minus b all raised to power 2. Factorize out minus b from this, minus b into brackets a, then minus b, and this equals 0. A minus b all squared can be written as in brackets a minus b multiplied by a minus b, then we have minus b into brackets a minus b, and this equals 0. Here we have a common factor a minus b, a minus b. Factorize out a minus b, we are left with a minus b, then minus b, and this equals 0. So with this, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So we have a minus b equals 0, or we have a minus b is equal to minus 2b, and this equals 0. So with this, the value of a is equal to b, while from here, the value of a is equal to 2b. But then recall that from here we said let 3 raised to power x equals a and 4 raised to power x equals b. So writing this down, that we said let 3 raised to power x equals to a and 4 raised to power x equals to b. So for a equals to b, we have 3 raised to power x is equal to b as 4 raised to power x, 4 raised to power x. Next, divide this equation by 4 raised to power x, 4 raised to power x. This will divide this. We have 3 raised to power x over 4 raised to power x, and this equal 1. So applying this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power n over b raised to power n, this equals in brackets a over b all raised to power n. So this then becomes in brackets 3 over 4 all raised to power x, and this equal 1. So we can then write this equation as in brackets 3 over 4 all raised to power x, and this equals in brackets 3 over 4 all raised to power 0. So by comparing this, we have the first value of x to equal 0. x1 equals to 0. Now, we have gotten the first value of x, let us solve for the other value of x. Also, for a equals to 2b, so we have this, that a is equal to 2b. So a is equal to 3 raised to power x. We have 3 raised to power x equals to 2 times b, 4 raised to power x, 2 times 4 raised to power x. Next, divide this equation by 4 raised to power x by 4 raised to power x. This will divide this. We have 3 raised to power x over 4 raised to power x, and this equals 2. So at this junction, we can write this as in brackets 3 over 4 all raised to power x, and this equals 2. Next, we are then going to introduce natural logarithm to this equation. So we have ln in bracket 3 over 4 all raised to power x, and this equals ln 2. So making use of this rule of natural logarithm, that if you have ln a raised to power m, this equals m times ln a. So applying it right here, this becomes x times ln in bracket 3 over 4, and this equals ln 2. Next, divide this equation by ln 3 over 4. So we have this, that x times ln in bracket 3 over 4, then divided by ln in bracket 3 over 4, and this equals ln 2 over ln in bracket 3 over 4. So this cancels this. We have the value of x to equal, we have ln 2 over ln in bracket 3 over 4. Okay, so with this, applying this rule of natural logarithm, that if you have ln in bracket a over b, this equals ln a minus ln b. Applying this rule right here, we have the value of x, that x is then equal to ln 2 all over ln 3 minus ln 4. And this is the second solution of the value of x. And meanwhile, the first value of x, that x1 is equal to 0. So writing this down, that the value of x1 is equal to 0. So these are the solution for the given question. I hope you all learned one or two from this video. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.